A couple of years ago, I watched a movie called Limitless. In the movie, Bradley Cooper was using a drug called NZ248, and this drug made his brain limitless. For instance, he learned playing piano in just 3 days. He learned a new language fluently in just a week, and even he became math genius. At that time, I was really amazed by this topic, and I did a lot of search on this topic. Is there any way to make our brain like in the movie? But what I found is a movie and full of Hollywood cliche. But there's a way to increase our brain activity. I'm Zaur and today I will share with you two ways. First, doing exercise, and second, eating nutritious. Most of you might think they know that exercising is beneficial, but we generally underestimate the importance of exercising on our brain and brain health, especially the aerobic exercises such as running, swimming, and rowing are so important for the brain health. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to pay attention to this research conducted by Professor Erickson in Pittsburgh University. In the research, 165 healthy adults were analyzed, their age between 59 and 81. Their hippocampal volume measured by using magnetic resonance imaging. What they found at the end of research that persons with high fitness rate had a bigger hippocampal volume. What does this mean? What's hippocampal volume? Hippocampus is located at the inner part of our brain, this blue segment. And the main functions of hippocampus is regulating learning and formation of the long-term memories. If we look at the learning process, the main thing in the learning process is to make a long-term memories. There's a saying, if exercise would be a pill, it would be the most selling pill. Second thing is about eating nutritious. Again, most of you might think you know the importance of eating nutritious, but generally we are not paying attention what we eat in normal daily life. Our brain is makes 2% of our body weight. On the other hand, it consumes 20% of our energy resources. So we have to really pay attention what we eating and what we are giving to our brain. If we analyze our brain, we will see 73% of our brain made of water. If we dehydrate it, we will left with fats, proteins, amino acids, glucose, and micronutrients. And I will especially focus on the fats and micronutrients. Fats, omega-3 and the omega-6 are so important for the development of brain. And Professor Lange, in his paper, says that deficiency of omega-3 fatty acids are associated with an increased risk of developing various psychiatric disorders, including depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, dementia, attention deficit, hyperactivity disorder, and also autism. As we can result this that the omega fats are so important for our brain health. The second thing is about micronutrients such as B12 and B6, especially the B12. Wankat Ramanan in his paper says vitamin B12 is essential for brain development and neural myelination. What's neural myelination? You can think the normal cells as a rod. When we myelinate, we increase the speed of the connections between the cells. So our brain works more faster, and B12 is really important part in this myelination uh, part. As you can see, these blue segments are myelin shield on the normal neuron cells. As a conclusion, I talked about the importance of exercising and importance of eating nutritious. And these are the things we just do not really pay attention. Our brain and our body are most valuable asset that is given to us. So we have to protect our body. We have to protect it really, really good. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, you can ask me. And here's my reference list.